channel. In today's video I am here with this V soya. It's a soybean milk golden grains. So what all golden grains contain, it's mentioned at the back, and they have shown over here also. It has soy and oats and almonds. So these are the three golden grains which are added in it, and it's a cholesterol free, high in vitamin B12, source of protein and vitamin A and D. So all these things are here, and I must tell that this product is for vegans also, and most probably who's having cholesterol, they could go for this. It's very nice, and the quantity is 1000 ml. What else? The source of protein, these three are the source of protein, vitamin and all. They have mentioned all the criteria which these products fill, these ingredients fills. And what else I could get to know about? Over here the nutritional information is there. So cholesterol, as you can see, it's 0 mg. So some people have some problem with other things, so they could read it and clarify their doubts and then have this. Ingredients are mentioned over here properly. I just want to see that this product is from where? Product of Thailand. So it's a product of Thailand, it's mentioned over here. Let's not waste much time and open this. So it's very simple. You need to open this cap and then just get a glass and pour it. As you can see, the color is little different because it's a soya milk. The color will be of the grain, soya bean and all the almonds and oats. So this is the color of it. Now I'll be having a sip of it and let you know how it is. Nice. Taste is very good. The almond flavor and soya and oats, everything is coming in my mouth. So it's very nice. Go for this product. It's cholesterol free. Please, all people who are there who are facing cholesterol, they can go for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.